Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Right, in the previous class, we have seen right, JavaScript executor. Right, and then in today's class, we will see alerts. Right, what are alerts? Right, whenever we will do right, some actions, it will give some confirmation messages. Right, suppose you are deleting some record. Right, so it will give suddenly one pop-up will come. Right, some message will come. Are you sure you want to delete it? That it is taking a confirmation. That means maybe sometimes what will happen by mistake we want to click on the delete button. Right. So it will give some asking for confirmation whether you want to delete it. I sometimes whenever we require right whenever we require right some right important things whenever we are doing some important things right sometimes we will do mistakenly also right. Alright, if we delete the record, what will happen by mistake? It will delete permanently. So it will ask for confirmations. Messages. Not only delete, any wherever necessary, developers will add some pop-ups to make sure right they will get the confirmation from a user. Right, like there are different types of alerts. Right, right here if you see this is one of the alert. Just it will have a simple OK button. And these are all browser pop-ups. Suppose if we take one more pop-up, it will have OK and cancel. We can click on OK or we can also click on the cancel. We can do both. And one more, here we can enter the text also. Here we can also enter the text also. Right? Mm, let's get the screen. Okay, page ready. Either page load timeout. Yeah, okay, we'll see once it is done. Fine, right? Alerts, right? These are the different types of alerts. Right. Then how to handle these alerts? Right. Suddenly it will come whenever we will do some action. Right. Without right accepting this, we cannot move further. Right. Once the alert is came means you have to either accept or dismiss, cancel or accept. Otherwise, we cannot proceed further. Right. We cannot proceed further. We have to right take some action on it. Then only it will we can move further. Okay. Fine. Let me create in the JavaScript execute also we have seen how to create our own alerts also. And we'll create plus alerts. Okay. Our first step is we have to extend our base test. Sorry, test public void. Okay. And let me just inspect it. What is this alert? Alert with okay. Okay, this is a simple alert. Look, just we'll create alert with okay. Okay. Right, now step is WebDriver dot get out. Just enter the URL. Just enter the URL. Okay. Now alerts when it will come, whenever we will do some action, whenever we will click somewhere, then only alerts will come. Right, after opening this page, right, by default it will be on the first alert. Right, by default it will be on the first alert. Just we have to click on this button, it will come alert. Then we can do accept it. Okay, we'll see. First we need to click on this button. Right, then how to write how to identify this? Okay, it has the ID, right? Div ID, okay, tab, control F, hash ID. Then we need to click on this button. Right, then we need to click on this button. What is the button? Button is the child, right? In CSS, how to identify child? Greater than button. Right, greater than button. Right. Okay, fine. Otherwise, directly, if class is working fine, we can use class also. Button doesn't. Right. How to identify class? Dot. Right. It is also working. Right. We can take this one or previous one. Anything this one. Right. We will take this. Right. Okay. Then. What is the weight we have written? Weight. Right. Get weight method. Get weight. Dot. Until expected. Expected conditions. Dot. Element to be clickable. Right. Element to be clickable. What is the element by something we can take a button by dot class. Right. Button danger class. Right. Just wait for it. Right. It will directly what it will return. It will return the web element. So directly wait for the element and click on it. We no need to again driver dot find element. Right. We no need to write it. It will wait until method. It will return. Right. See expected condition element to be clickable. It will return the web element. So directly we can click on it. Right. Once we click on it, what will happen? The alert will open. Now we have to handle how to handle to right to handle the alert. We have to create the object of the alert in Selenium. Right, we have a class called alert. We have to create the object of the alert class. That is that correct? No, right? You have an idea? All right. We don't have right like this. We cannot create a object of it. Right? Some people will confuse and will create like no. How to handle get driver dot switch to right switch to dot alert. Right? Then it will return the alert object. It will return the alert object. Right, like this, we have to get the alert object. Right, the driver dot switch to dot alert. Right, we cannot create directly object for it because it is an interface. So we cannot directly create it. We have to switch to it. Get driver dot switch to dot alert. It will return the alert object. Right, once we get the alert object, right, what we can do? Either we can accept. Right, either we can accept the alert or dismiss the alert or get a text. Get the text of the alert or send keys. If we want to enter the text, we have to use the alert.send keys. Four actions we can do. Right. Here we will do one is the get a text. Okay, we'll get the get text and then alert dot accept. We will do these two things. That system.out.println. Okay. Print the text of the alert and then accept it. Accept the alert. Let me just wait for a second. Okay. Now run it. Now run it. Okay. We need to switch to alert by using getDriver dot switch to alert. This is important. Right. Then we will get the alert object. Right. Okay. It will open the browser. Right. Then still loading. Okay. So it is clicked on the alert and then failure was what is that? Current thread is not the owner. Okay. Once we click on the alert, what happened? We printed the alert text and then we accepted. Right. That's what we will do. After clicking on one more wait condition. We have one more wait condition. Get wait. Okay, we have explicit wait dot until expected conditions dot the alert is present. Wait for until alert is present. But wait until the alert is present. We can also before right after clicking wait for until alert is present, then switch to the alert. Otherwise, sometimes what will happen, we will get the no such alert exception. At no such alert exception. Okay, fine. Now that clear on it. Okay, just click on it. Okay, it is fine. It is fine. What is this current owner something? Okay, illegal monitor state actually. Current thread is not down. That's fine. We can leave it. Right, that is right. Just we are getting the text of it and then accept. That will see maybe due to that application is loading very slow. It is a dummy application, right? Maybe sometimes we'll get please. Yeah, the red text, right? Public void. One more alert. What is the one more alert? Either we can do accept or dismiss. Right? Either we can do accept or dismiss. Right? We will keep it as a alert with okay and cancel. Test. Okay. Then open it. Right, once we open, then we have to click here. One more step, we have to click on it. Alert with the OK and cancel. At first, we have to click here. Here we can click with the alert. This is the anchor tag, right? We can go with the link text. Right, we can go with the link text. Uh, get wait of until expected conditions are relevant to be clickable by dot link text. Right, by dot link text. Wait for it and then click on it. Again, next step is what once we click on it, it will come this button. Right again, that it has a button primary class. Right, control of dot verify. Yeah, it is single element only. Again, then again we can do the same thing. Wait dot element to be clickable until CSS selector. Right, here we have to write a class. Right, this is the class name. And then button primary dot click. Right, first we have to click on this right alert with OK cancel, then click on it. And now it will come pop up. Now we will get the pop up. That now we will do accept, then dismiss. Right. Once we click on it, then again wait for expected conditions. Alert is present. Right. Alert is present. Then get driver dot switch to dot alert dot directly we can accept like this. Accept. Right. Accept. We can accept it. Right. Then again we can click on. Again we will click on this button primary. Right. Again we will click on. Right. It will open again. Alert. Right. If we click on again, what will happen? Again it will click on the alert. Again wait for it. And then now we will do in this case. Driver dot switch to dot alert dot dismiss. We will do the dismiss. Alright, dismiss. Okay, fine. One is accept and then dismiss. Right, now run it. Okay, it is still taking time to load the page. Right, sometimes based on our network also. Okay, it is clicked on OK. Right, dismiss. Right, it is fine. It's now it is working fine. Right, there is no error. In previous test case, we got error because thread, I think, because of the wait time. These both are executing parallelly, I think. That's why it is not working. Okay, one more alert. Alert. We have one more alert. That has direct test public void alert with the text box. Right, alert with the text box. Right, open the URL. Right, then click on the link text. What is the link text here? Alert with the text box. Alert with the text box. Then again, we need to click on this button info. Right, btn info. Click, wait for the alert is present, and then switch to alert. Here, what we can do once we click, this is the text box. We can also enter the text in this type of alert. So we can here, right? We cannot find the element, right? If we right click on this alert, you cannot identify anything. Right? We have to use alert.sendKeys, not driver dot find the element, because we cannot find the element. The alert has one more method, send. Alert.sendKeys, we can send the some text. And then again, if you want to get the text, alert.get text, alert.get text, and accept it. Right, accept it. Right, what is this demo? Finally. Okay, you press down. Okay, to move on. Okay, if you want to validate these things, we can also validate. Right here, some text is coming. Hello, automation testing. How are you today? But here we are sending it to hello. And then it will come. Hello, how are you today? And if you cancel, it will cancel it. Right, if you want to cross verify whether the text was coming or not, we can also verify. And that is the only thing. We are getting the text out. Okay. Our main goal is right how to handle right. We can driver dot switch to simple thing. Alerts are very simple. We have to get driver dot switch to alert. We will get the alert object. On alert object, we can do either accept or dismiss or send keys or get text. Four operations we can do on the alert. Right. Accept, dismiss, send keys, right. Get text. These four operations we can do on the alert. Right. Just quickly run it. Okay, it is loading the page. Okay, I think that right. Right. Please wait. Enter your name. Right. This is the or the text we have entered. Right. Like this, we can handle the right. Like this, we can handle the errors. Right. There are different any type of alert. It may be any type of alert. We can handle it. We can. It is a simple. First one is a simple OK. OK with cancel. Either we can cancel or click on OK. Right. Or we can also enter the some text. Right. These are the different types of alerts. Right in Selenium WebDriver. But handling it is the same way. Right. For everything. Then driver dot switch to alert. We have to switch to the alert. Then we can do either accept, dismiss, and decrease or get text. Right. Just wait for the alert. Once we click on element, just wait for the alert is present. Right. Sometimes it will take some time to load the alert. Right. Without waiting, if you try to switch to alert, we will get no such alert action. So just wait for the alert and then do the switch to alert, then do the action. And then switch to action. Okay, fine. I think Kirti is asking something. Yeah, Kirti. Page load. Page load time. Right, actually, we can one while creating the object, we have right written. This is the one type of right page load. We can wait for page load. And then there are any script execution. Right. Sometimes what will happen whenever we will click right it will load some it will connect to the some database and will get the data. There just some JavaScript will execute internally. Internally whenever we will do some of the actions, it will execute some JavaScript and get the data and populate in the UI. In those cases, what will happen? Internally, JavaScript will execute. We can wait for that JavaScript execute. Right. I think the document got something ready. Right. Right. It will return document dot ready state. I think return dot execute script. We have to typecast the string return document dot ready state. Right. It should be right. It should be, I think, complete. If it is complete, then only page is fully loaded. Right. Otherwise, the page is not good. Right. Let me. Okay, we are doing Naukri.complete. We will check that. We'll comment on this. Okay, document.ready state we'll see. And we can run it, we'll see. But how to wait it exactly? We are getting here, but we need to wait until document is ready. Right. This is a page load. Let's see. Here page is not fully loaded. Still loading. Still page is loading. We have to wait until it is complete. Right. We have to wait until complete. Um, this is little bit complex thing, I think. We have one more thing. We write our own condition. Why we can write while. Okay. What we can do, we can wait until ready state, right? Ready state not complete, then get the status of it again, wait for it. That we will loop until it is complete. Right. We will loop until if it is not equal, then it will go inside. Again, it will get the ready state. It will verify. Right? We can do like this also, but it is right. We no need to remember this. Right? But we can also do like this. This is the JavaScript. This is the JavaScript. Correct? We will do normal way first. We'll see whether it is waiting or not. Correct? We'll comment this. Right? Get the return document dot ready state. Correct? We'll get the ready state and then use the while loop until ready state is complete. Right? First we will get it, verify it, whether it is completed or not. If it is not completed, again get the ready state and then loop it. Right? Again loop it. If it is complete, it will come out of it. Right? Once it is complete, it will come out of the loop. Right? Just okay. Let me execute it again. Okay, we'll see here. Document is, let's see. Now it is waited. The document ready state is complete. It is waited until complete. Right. If it take time, it will wait. Right. Initially only, right. Here itself, document ready state is completed. Right. I think it did not went into loop because it is already completed. If it take time, then it will take it will go inside the loop. Right. Because first condition itself it is right. If it is taking time, then only it will go to this while loop. Right. We can handle right document dot ready state like this. Okay. I can still load page is loading. Right. Page load is different. JavaScript load is different. Okay. I think still page is loading. Okay. It will once it is completed, then it can. Right. Like this, we can wait for the JavaScript to wait. Uh, right. Fine. Okay. Then how to debug the program? Okay. Debugging. Debugging we'll see in the right page object model. Because we must have some methods and then we have to go inside. And then only we can able to understand that debugging. Currently we have straightforward only. But in the page object model we will learn later. If you want to debug, just right wherever I want. Suppose if I want to, why debugging first of all, right? That is also a very very important debugging. If we don't know debugging, we cannot. Right, it's very difficult to understand the issues, fix the issues. Right, suppose there is some failure is there. Right, it is straightforward. This is we can easily understand what is the failure. But in real time, what will happen? Right, we will navigate one class to another class, one class to another class, right? Multiple classes we will navigate. In that case, what will happen? It is very difficult to understand where is the exact failure, where the exact failure. Right? To understand that exact what is the root cause of the failure, right? We must know the debugging concepts. Right? Debugging means, right? We want to stop the execution and then go line by line and go line by line. Right? Here on the right side, right, you are getting here right click on the numbers you are seeing, right? On numbers right side there is a small uh, window. You can right click on it, toggle breakpoint, right? It will come some blue tick, right? Right, you are getting blue symbol, right? That is the debug. If we double click also, we can get it, right? Either we can do right click toggle or we can do double click. If we double click again, it will remove. It will remove the debug. Right click toggle. Again, if we right click toggle, it will delete it. Right? Either we can do double click or right click. Right. Suppose if I want to debug here. Right. Suppose I want to debug here. Right. First we have to keep the debug point. Then run in a debug mode. Right. We have to run a debug mode. How to run it? Right click this. Instead of run, we have to debug it. Instead of run, we have to debug. Okay, it will stop here, right? Once browser is open, and then again we are navigating. Let's see. Now it got stop. Right, execution is stop. That means we can from here we can go line by line. Right, left side debugging stack trace is open. At the right side we can see what are the breakpoints where we kept a breakpoint. We can do multiple breakpoints. Right here I can kept again I want if I want I can keep it one more breakpoint. It will show all the breakpoints. Right, suppose if I want to go to next line. Right, from here to I want to go next line. Right, we can, on top we will have some symbols. Right, if we want to go to next line, F6 step over. That means it will go next line. So we can see in the browser, okay, whether it is correctly executed or not. Again, if I want to go next line, hit F6. Again, if I want to go next line, that is done. Now again, if you click next line, right, it will go inside. Execution was done. Right now we will go inside something inside text and classes. Now I want to come out of it. Right, I want to come out of it. Just click on F8. That means it will continue the program. Right, it will continue. Right, to show more, right, I required inner methods because currently we have straightforward test case, right? Few other things I have to write. We will learn more in depth of debugging in the page update mode. Right, this is how we can just keep the debug point and then how to go step by step. F6 if you press, you can go step by step. If you want to come out of it, just click on F8, it will come out of it. I will teach more on debugging in the page object model concept. Right, in the next, I think Windows frames done, then we will start page object model so that you will understand more. We require a more classes and then methods, then only we will understand debugging more. Okay, fine. Any other doubts? We have- in classes, we have any doubts? Related. Okay, if we don't have anything, right, we are good with this. We'll meet tomorrow then.